Design and display. This has to be the first smartwatch in a 4 or 5 years that has a LCD display, as its primary display size 1.3 and Quad HD display 360 by 360 px and 407 pixels per inch. Looks good at first glance. It features a plastic build, which helps keep the weight down. Durable, breathable, and fashionable, it features a quick release mechanism that makes it easy to switch without any additional tools. Silicone is great at all temperatures. It is ideal for sports throughout the summer. Workout Smart. Set your exercise goal, feel the buzz, and receive an audio notification through the built-in speaker when you reach your target heart rate zone. Get alerts when you exceed that zone to prevent you from reaching your goal or overexerting yourself. Navigate your routes without the phone. Take your workout on the road with the built-in GPS, GLONASS and BODUS positioning, so you can see your path, discover new trails, and enjoy outdoor activity with safety and confidence. No more relying on your phone to tell you where you are, or where you're headed. Skip it, pause it, play it again. Give you the controls to keep that phone in your pocket while exercising. Pair ticwatch E3 with your ticpods to go totally hands-free with voice commands that don't break your stride. Play music, pause music, previous song, next song, volume up, asterisk, volume down. Contactless payment with Google Pay. Keep your card in your wallet, and use contactless payments with Google Pay right from your ticwatch E3. Just tap and go, wherever tap payments are accepted. 100 plus professional workout modes. More than 100 professional workout modes inspire you to move and unleash your true potential. Pilates and high-intensity interval training, HIIT. High-intensity interval training HIIT workouts include burpee, high knees, squat jumps, squat punch, jumping jacks, mountain climber, plank, twisting mountain climber, reverse crunch, and bridge. Keep it all within the family with ticwatch E3. You can choose to give permission and share your health and fitness data with a loved one to help achieve your health goals together. Follow or unfollow at any time by accessing the data sharing settings in the Mobboy app. With Tic Care you can also remotely monitor your loved one's wearable data, such as heart rate, steps, sleep details, etc. Continuous heart health tracking for 24/7. The advanced heart rate sensor monitors heart rate accurately in real time when you are active and at rest. Heart rate changes can also be logged on a weekly graph and send an alert if it detects any unusual heart rate changes. All-day blood oxygen saturation. Monitoring your blood oxygen (SpO2) level is an important indicator of how well your body absorbs oxygen. The blood oxygen sensor in the ticwatch E3 consists of 4 sets of infrared LED light clusters and measures your SpO2 level by shining light into the blood vessels of your wrist. Turn the 24-hour monitoring on to automatically monitor and record your blood oxygen level at regular intervals throughout the day and night and quickly highlight potential health risks. Good quality sleep can positively affect mental health. With Tic Sleep 2.0, ticwatch E3 tracks your light, deep and 4100 offers improved performance for the CPU REM sleep while providing significant insights to help you build better sleep habits. Wake you up with a gentle alarm in your light sleep phase, the natural way to wake up feeling rested. Say goodbye to the jarring alarm clock on your nightstand. The Fitness GPS smartwatch is IP68 dust and waterproof, rated to withstand ingress of dust and sand and immersion in up to 1.5 meter of water for up to 30 minutes, so ticwatch E3 is good to be a companion during your indoor and outdoor exercises such as cycling, jogging, pool swimming and more.